Hello everyone, I welcome each one of you to today's mock test paper discussion. So mock test 1 on Code of Criminal Procedure for SS Grade 3 held today morning at 9:30 am. First of all, I want to thank those who participated in our mock test. So let's begin. So ইয়াত মই question paper খন discuss কৰাৰ লগতে এটা particular sectionৰ পৰা বিভিন্ন ধৰণৰ questions কেনেকৈ ফ্ৰেম হ'ব পাৰে সেইবোৰ discuss কৰিম লগতে যিবিলাক questions মই ইয়াত include কৰা নাই বা সেই questionটোৰ লগত related একে ধৰণৰ কিছুমান sections আছে সেইবোৰ ইয়াত মই discuss কৰি যাম গতিকে ভিডিওটো আপোনালোকে লাষ্টলৈকে চাব ওকে so let's begin. The first question is very easy question কোনো analysis তাত প্ৰয়োজন নাই যে code of criminal procedure খন কেতিয়া বলবৎ হৈছিল when came into existence. So the correct option is A, 1st day of April 1974. খুব এটা easy question এৰে আমাৰ question paper খন start কৰিছো. Second question is about complaint. So complaint to আছে section 2 ডিট আছে ওকে কমপ্লেইণ্টৰ ক্ষেত্ৰত আপোনালোকৰ শৰ্ট নোট লিখিবলৈ আহে আৰু কমপ্লেইণ্টৰ ওপৰত মোৰ ভিডিওছ আছে সো মই আপোনালোকৰ সেই লিংক ভিডিওৰ লিংকবোৰ মই কমেন্ট সেকশনত দি দিম চাই ল'ব আপোনালোকে সো এই দুটা স্টেটমেন্ট দিয়া হৈছে কোনটো স্টেটমেন্ট কাৰেক্ট হয় ফাৰ্স্ট স্টেটমেন্ট ইজ দ্যাট complaint does not include a police report. Yes, this statement is correct. Complaint সাধাৰণতে police report include নকৰে. The second statement is that a report made by police officer in case which discloses after investigation the commission of a non-cognizable offense shall be deemed to be a complaint, and the police officer by whom such report is made shall be deemed to be the complainant. So jodio complaint police report include nokore kintu after investigation or pisot to report non-cognizable case or report bonua hoy hetu kintu complaint hisabe dhora hoy deemed to be complaint. Okay, and the police officer jijon police officer he report to bonai he shall be deemed to be the complainant. Aru ekhini ase apunar section 2 dir explanation part to. Okay, so explanation part to ase apnaloke sai lobo. So here the both the statements are correct, so the correct option is B. Okay, complaint means what? So complaint means any allegations made orally or in writing to magistrate. Complaint ka kora complaint magistrate kora hoy. Okay, next question is section 2WA has been inserted by which amendment? So the correct option is A, 2009 amendment or joriote section 2WA to CRPC insert kora hoisile. Okay, so 2WA define kora hoise victim ward 2. So victim means what? So victim means a person who has suffered any loss or injury caused by reason of the act or omission for which the accused person has been charged. So yet apunar victim word to kuntu section define kora ase hetu questions ahe oha dekhisu ami to yet aru eta questions fam hobo pare oha nai ketio tothapitu mo koisu jitu expression victim whether it includes his or her guardian or legal heir. Is this statement is true or false? Enake question ahibo pare je victim jitu word section 2WA define kora ase hey victim word to a victim or legal guardian ba legal heir include kora neke. So victim word to guardian or legal heir include kore. The statement is true. Okay, next question is the court of session is established by. So the here the correct option is A, established by state government. It will say apunar section 9 subsection 1. Next question is who appoints additional session judge and assistant session judge? So here apunar correct option to hobo high court. It was apunar section 9 subsection 3. Aru appointments for apunaloke sabo kune ka appoint kore court bur kune establish kore heikini sabo ba classes of criminal courts kine apunaloke sabo metropolitan magistrate bikhoye ma soa ko dorkar nai. Okay, next question is question number 6. Courts of judicial magistrate are mentioned in which section of CRPC? So section 11 of mention kora ase. So correct option is C. Okay, so state government after consultation with the high court courts of judicial magistrate established kore under section 11 subsection 1. Okay, next question is special courts of judicial magistrate can be established by. So special courts of judicial magistrate established kora hoy by the state government after consultation with the high court. Okay, so state government after consultation with the high court establishes one or more special courts of judicial magistrate first class and second class to try any particular case or classes of cases. So logote apunaloke etu ase apunar section 11 or subsection 1 or proviso ase. Okay, স্পেশাল কোর্স জুডিশিয়েল মেজিষ্ট্ৰেটৰ কথাটো তো আপোনালোকে লগতে সেকশন 12 টো ভালকে চাই থব সেকশন 12 ত আছে আপোনাৰ CGM এডিশনাল CGM আৰু SDGM ৰ এপইন্টমেন্টৰ বিষয় গতিকে সেইখিনি সেকশন 12 টো আপোনালোকে খুব ভালকে চাব ইম্পৰ্টেন্ট সেকশন 11 12 খুব ভালকে চাব গোটেই এপইন্টমেন্ট গোটেইখিনিৰে চাই থোৱা আপুনি মনত ৰাখিবলৈ ট্ৰাই কৰিব ওকে আৰু সেকশন 12 3 subsection 3 clause 8 SDGM কেনেকৈ ডেজিগনেট কৰা হয় সেই বিষয়ে উল্লেখ কৰা আছে গতিকে ভালকে চাব Next question is, a chief judicial magistrate or an additional chief judicial magistrate has the power to pass sentence or eto bahut important hoy je kar kiman power ase kimanoleke imprisonment dibo pare fine dibo pare hey gutei khini apnaloke bhalke sai thabo so chief judicial magistrate or khetre correct option to hobo option A imprisonment up to 7 years and fine eto ase apunar section 29 okay so aru teneke sabo apnaloke JMFC kiman dibo pare okay so gutei khini apnaloke sai thoi dibo Next question is, arrest by private person and arrest by magistrate have been mentioned in. So, arrest by private person to mention kora ase section 43 aru arrest by magistrate to include kora ase section 44. Okay, so the correct option is A. So, private person is under section 43 jetia their presence of at a non-bailable aru cognizable offense hobo tetia tekete private person jone arrest koribo pare under section 3 okay aru ya jetu arrest by magistrate or kotha koise under section 44 whether the term magistrate includes only judicial magistrate can include kora kotha koise je judicial magistrate arrest koribo pare under section 44 no ya judicial plus executive both that include kora hoise so judicial magistrate by executive magistrate jodi their presence on কোনটেনকা এটা অফেন্স হয় বা তেও লোকেল জুৰিসডিকশনৰ ভিতৰত যদি এটা অফেন্স হয় তেতিয়া হলে তেও জুডিশিয়েল মেজিস্ট্ৰেট বা এক্সিকিউটিভ জুডিশিয়েল মেজিস্ট্ৰেটে এৰেষ্ট কৰিব পাৰে ওকে এন্ড আন্ডাৰ সেকশন 44 সাবসেকশন 2 জুডিশিয়েল মেজিস্ট্ৰেট or executive magistrate may arrest or direct arrest in his presence arrest to koribo pare aru subsection 2 ৰ আন্ডাৰত ডাইৰেকশন নিজে arrest নকৰি পেলাই বেলেগক ডাইৰেকশনো দিব পাৰে ওকে সো ভালকে সেকশনস বোৰ আপোনালোকে মেইনলি আপোনালোকে ভালকে পঢ়িব আৰু বেৰেকখন পঢ়িব সো বেৰেকখন বহুতৰ ক্ষেত্ৰত অকমান বুজিবলৈ কিছুমান দিগদাৰ পায় আপোনালোকে কমেন্টস বোৰ পঢ়ক কিন্তু বেৰেকখন আপোনালোকে পঢ়িব Question number 10 section 54 of the code of criminal procedure provides for so correct option is B medical examination of any arrested person so 54 to related hoy ji kono arrested person or medical examination or logot okay so medical examination logot related aru kebata section ase so bahutore confusion hoy ba jodi apunar ketiba match koribole die okay so hei karone apnaloke jani thoato bhal hobo ba hoyto pঢ়িছে আপোনালোকে section 53 so section 53 to related hoy examination of accused or examination or logot by medical practitioner at the request of police officer okay next 53A to hoise examination of accused of rape case or khetrot 53A to aru jodi apunar logok question eta die je medical examination of victim of rape or khetrot kuntu section related ba kuntu section e deal kore then section 164A so section 164A to relate hoy examination of victim of rape case okay so monot rakhibo 53 to hoy examination of accused by medical practitioner at the request of police officer 53A to related hoy examination of accused of rape case or khetrot okay and section 164A to related hoy victim of rape case and section 54 is related to medical examination of any arrested person next question is the main processes of compelling production of things and documents are summons issued by a court written order issued by a police officer in search of police station search and seizure with or without warrant all of the above so here correct option 2 is apunar D all of the above here apunar section 91 and 93 to sabo Question number 12 service of summons on witness by post has been mentioned in so here witness of summon diar kotha koise okay so here the kuntu section related hoy that is section 69 okay aru etu ase apunar chapter 6 it important chapter hoy process compelled to appearance etu apnaloke bhalke sabo ta forms of summons or bipoy ase gote chapter tu apnaloke bhalke cite hobo okay tasot 62 to section 62 someone house served okay so 61 or pura apunar I think 69 loki ase niki to gote kini apnaloke cite hobo to someone or logot related hoy ar warrant to related hoy warrant kini ase apunar section 70 pura 81 lage to ei gote kini summon or warrant etu ta apnaloke cite hobo okay next question is a warrant of arrest may be executed so warrant of arrest to execute hobo kot hobo pare at any place in India so the correct option is A it was apunar section 77 okay next question number 14 trial of summon cases by magistrate is contained in so trial of summon cases by magistrate and trial of warrant cases by magistrate both the chapter are very important duta chapter e khub bhalke cite hobo procedure bilak janibo je summon case to keneke kore trial hoy aru warrant case to keneke hoy aru difference to logote okay je duta chapter important hoy so trial of summon cases by magistrate to ase apunar chapter 20 section 251 to 259 ase okay next question number 15 maintenance and use of case diary has been mentioned in so case diary bikhoy mention kora ase CRPC section 172 aru case diary apunalokor short note ahe okay question number 16 the magistrate is not bound by the conclusion drawn by the police in police report under section 173 so section 173 is very important to a section to apnaloke khub bhalke cite hoy dibo okay so yet statement to true ne false so here the statement is true magistrate bound no hoy okay magistrate is not bound by the conclusion drawn by the police in police report under section 173 or 172 apnaloke gote khini bhalke pori thobo okay so magistrate is expected to apply his judicial mind to the report okay he may differ from the police report be it a charge sheet or be it a final report so called next question is a magistrate may take cognizance of any offense okay so yet correct options to hobo apuna ei gute eta upon receiving a complaint of facts which constitutes as offense upon a police report upon information received from any person other than a police officer or upon his own knowledge that such offense has been committed so the correct option is apuna D section 191 so 190 okay 192 bhalke cite hobo question number 18 power to examine the accused is provided in so here the correct option is section 313 so jibilake court of practice kore apnaloke jane SG date thake okay statement of defense okay that is under section 313 so yet other questions frame hoy je section 313 or under oath law niki oath administer kora hoy niki whether oath shall be administered to the accused when he is examined under section 331 no oath shall be administered okay administered under section 313 so etu eta question set form hobo pare okay frame hobo pare okay so etu jani thobo bhalke pohibo etu next question number 19 when a magistrate has recorded the evidence of a witness, he shall also record such remarks, if any, as he thinks material respecting the demeanor of such witness whilst under examination. The provision has been mentioned in. So, yet correct option to about section 280. So, witness jone সাক্ষী দি থকাৰ সময়ত তো কেনেকৈ আছে তোৰ যেটো সাল চল হে গুটেখিনিও সাধাৰণতে ৰেকৰ্ড কৰা হয় ওকে সো হেবিলাক আপোনালোকে শিকিব পিছত গম পাব যেতিয়া ট্ৰেনিং পিৰিয়ডত আপোনালোকক বহুতখিনি বস্তু আপোনালোকে অলৰেডি মানে একুয়াৰ কৰিব পাৰিব হেবিলাক বস্তু এতিয়া কিছুমান বস্তু বুজি নাপাবও পাৰে কিন্তু ট্ৰেনিং পিৰিয়ডত হেবিলাক আপোনালোকক বহুতখিনি মানে এতিয়া যিখিনি থিওৰিটিক্যালি পঢ়ি আছে প্ৰ্যাকটিক্যালি বহুতখিনি বস্তু আপোনালোকে তেতিয়া বুজি পাব ওকে নেক্সট কোৱেশ্চন নম্বৰ 20 The magistrate records the confession of an accused or a statement of a witness during investigation under section under to your correct option to hobo section 164. So 164 to moi discuss korisilu apnar mains to question ahisile more videos ase to hetu apnaloke sai lobo. Okay, 2018 ot ahisile question to apnar aru examination of witness by police 161 aru 164 to ekelogi ahisile 2018 ahisile aru etu ase apnar chapter 12. Okay, important chapter ha bhalke buhi lobo. Next question, question number 21. The procedure when investigation cannot be completed in 24 hours has been mentioned. To kontu section mention kora ase, that is section 167. Question number 22. A confession recorded by magistrate in accordance with special procedure provided therefore, that is the correct option is A, can be used as a substantive evidence. Section 164 kotha koise yat. Okay, next question is 23. Section 178 deals with, so 178 to apnar deal kore places of inquiry or trial or logot. Okay, aru ei chapter to apnaloke gutei khini site hobo inquiries and trial or jitu ase gutu sapalke site hobo etu. Question number 24. After taking cognizance of an offence, any subjudicial magistrate may make over the case for inquiry or trial to any competent magistrate subordinate to him. Okay, kuntu section under dibo pare. So here the correct option is A, under section 192. Or chapter to hoy apunar 14 is very important. Okay, bhalke sabo. Next question 25. Complaints to magistrate is provided in kuntu chapter under dia ase, that is C, chapter 15 of CRPC. This chapter is also very important. 26. If the complaint is made to a magistrate who is not competent to take cognizance of the offence, complaint a magistrate dia hol kinteo he complaint to cognizance lobole competent নহয়, তেতিয়া তেও কি কৰিব. Okay, so ইয়াত মই কেটামান statement দিছো, statement বোৰ কোনটো correct হয়. Okay, so here the correct statement is, that is D, both A and B are correct. যদি তেও complaint to magistrate দিলে কিন্তু তেও সেই complaint to cognizance লোৱাৰ কাৰণে competent নহয়, তেতিয়া তেখেতে কি কৰিব পাৰিব, he shall return it for presentation to the proper court. Okay, that is one option, with an endorsement to that effect if the complaint is in writing. Okay, so this statement is also correct. Next, if the complaint is not in writing, jodi writing or in writing na thake, direct the complainant to the proper court. So this statement is also correct. So here the correct option is D, both A and B are correct. Okay, so it was apunar section 201. Who bhalke section to sabo both questions ahe. Okay, next question number 27. Postponement of issue of process is mentioned in. So postponement of issue of process to mention kora ase apunar to section 202. Question number 28. Which section empowers the magistrate to dispense with personal attendance of the accused person? Who ahe question to section, that is related to section 205. 205 to bahut ahise apunar ke babaru dekhisu. Okay, bhalke sabo hetu. Next question is 29. Charge. The charge includes any head of charge when the charge contains more heads than one. Includes any head of charge when the charge contains one head. So charge to apna define kora ase section 2B. So charge or upor more separate videos ase, tat moi charge with one head, charge with more heads ki moi khub dhuniya ke tat moi explain korisu aru jitu tat moi example disu apnaloke hitu ekdom apnar real example apnaloke jitu court or record sai je keneke charge to frame kore charge with one head ki keneke likhe, to hebilak apnaloke training period ot kikibo, to he video to kindly apnaloke ebar sai lobo. Okay, so here the correct option is charge includes any head of charge when the charge contains more heads than one. Okay, A. Question number 30. Which section provides that any court may alter or add to any charge at any time before judgment is pronounced? It is very important. Hoy to kuntu section related hoy, that is 260. Okay. Next question. acquittal or conviction at the conclusion of trial in warrant case comes under. So warrant case or acquittal and conviction to kuntu section or under hoy. Okay, so at me warrant case thakibo pare ba ketiaba apunar summon case diba ba summon case to acquittal conviction hoy warrant case to acquittal conviction hoy. Okay, so hey difference bila ekane koisilu moi the difference bila apunalke bhalke sabo trial cases by trial of summon cases by magistrate, trial of warrant cases by magistrate or summon case warrant case or difference for খুব ভালকে আপোনালোকে চাইবে গুটেইখিনি খুব ইম্পৰ্টেন্ট হয় আৰু জনাটো আপোনালোকৰ কাৰণে খুব নেসেসিটি হয় দৰকাৰ হয় ওকে এজ এ লয়াৰ এজ এ স্টুডেন্ট and you are going to be judicial officer okay so জানিব লাগে হে বস্তুটো so ইয়াত কারেক্ট অপশনটো হ'ব আপোনাৰ 248 in case of warrant case next 32 application for plea bargaining is dealt under so plea bargaining or application to deal for a kuntu section e that is 265 B2 okay aru plea bargaining or khetot thorok apunalokor aru kisuman question oha dekhibole pao je kuntu chapter plea bargaining ase so plea bargaining to ase apunar 21 it ase and 21 a chapter to insert kora hoisil by which amendment by 2006 amendment or joriote okay next question is question number 33 which section deals with discharge in warrant case so warrant case or logot khetrot discharge to kuntu section under kuntu section e deal kore okay so here the correct option is that is C section 245 question number 34 any court may at any stage of inquiry trial or other proceeding under section 311 যিকোনো স্টেজতে ইনকুৱাৰি হক বা ট্ৰায়াল হক বা আদাৰ প্ৰসিডিংৰ ক্ষেত্ৰত সেকশন 311 অৰ আন্ডাৰত কোৰ্টে কি কৰিব পাৰে সামন এনি পাৰসন এজ এ উইটনেছ the statement is correct okay summon দিব পাৰে examine any person in attendance do not summon as a witness the statement is also correct recall or re-examine any person already examined the statement is also correct so here the correct option is all of the above so section 311 to halke side hobo next question is which section empowers the magistrate to grant compensation to victim at the time of passing judgment okay so victim compensation or kotha yat koise victim compensation to important hoy victim compensation logote victim compensation scheme to so eitu khetot apnala confusion nohobo kot apnalok okol compensation to victims or kotha koise ar kot apnalok victim compensation scheme or kotha to koise victim compensation scheme or upor tomor videos ase moi link to di dim bhalke sabo court role thake court DLS ba SLC role thake okay so hekini difference to apnaloke jani thobo okay so yet correct option to hobo section 357 so 357 is apna order to pay compensation 357 or court role thake okay next question under which section every state government in coordination with the central government is required to prepare scheme for payment of victim compensation so koman agote ma agor question to kolu je compensation to victim aru compensation scheme jodi scheme mode to thake tetia loga loga apnaloke monot pelabo that is under section 357A so 357 er under DLS DLS manu jane district legal service authority SLC state legal service authority so 357 er DLS SLC role thake aru 357 or order to pay compensation or khetra thake court or role thake aru 357 er under court it under section 357 compensation or kan ki koribo pare recommend koribo pare so ei horu difference bila খুব ভালকে বুজি লব ওকে আর মই এই ভিডিওটো আপোনালোকে চাব যে কম্পেনসেশন স্কিম টোৰ বিষয়ে মই ডিসকাস কৰিছিলো ওকে আৰু এটো কোৱেশ্চন আপোনালোকৰ মেইনছত আহি গৈছে কম্পেনসেশন স্কিমৰ বিষয়ে ওকে next question 37 section 374 deals with so appeals from conviction so যিখিনি মই সেকশন যে সেটো কথা নাই ডাইৰেক্ট আছে বস্তুখিনি ওকে section 353 deals with so 352 deals with judgment or judgment chapter to bhalke koi thoko main sort apunar judgment er upor questions ahise okay so main judgment to ase apunar chapter 27 ase okay or main judgment er upor question 2000 I think 18 ot ahisile sai lobo question paper bor question number 39 which section prohibits the court from altering or revising any judgment or final order disposing a case after it has been signed, except for the purpose of correction or clerical or arithmetical error. So etu question so আপোনালোকৰ আহে যে পাছ হোৱাৰ পিছত arithmetical বা clerical corrections হ'ব পাৰে নে নোৱাৰে তেনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ question I think prelims আহি গৈছে আপোনালোকৰ okay so ইয়াত আপোনাৰ correct option হ'ব that is section 362 টো আপোনালোকে ভালকে চাই যাব জাজমেন্টৰ 353 354 362 এইকেইটা আপোনালোকে ভালকে চাব এইকেইটাৰ ওপৰত questions প্ৰায় আহে question number 14 offenses other than those mentioned in section 320 of CRPC খুব easy question এটো আহি থাকে okay so the correct option is not compoundable okay or compoundable or non compoundable কেছৰ ওপৰত মোৰ ভিডিওছ আছে তাত মই গুটেই 320 subsection বোৰ ধুনিয়াকে ডিসকাস কৰিছো এই ভিডিও আপোনালোকে চাই লব okay next question number 41 under section 159 of CRPC the magistrate has the power to those 159 or under magistrate ki power ase so yet correct option to hobo apunar direct investigation by the police of direction dibo pare investigation or karone naiba depute any magistrate subordinate to him to hold a preliminary inquiry so either A or B section 159 to bhalke sabo 42 consider the following statement the statement board is kuntu statement correct hoy okay 42 so FIR is a report about the commission of a cognizable offense so this statement is correct okay FIR is a report about commission of a non-cognizable offense no this is wrong FIR is a piece of substantive evidence this is also wrong so here the correct option is only one is correct and the rest are false so it was apunar FIR logo related so FIR logo related apunaka section 154 to section 154 to halke site hobo okay और FIR report more videos ase mo already to channel to disu apnaloke sabo next question number 43 when bail may be taken in case of non-bailable offense is provided under section so that is section 437 our bail chapter to apnaloke gutekhini bhalke sabo okay question number 44 joinder of charge is permissible under section so gutegeta hoy all of the above 219 hoy 220 hoy aru 221 hoy okay 219 ot ase apunar etut ase apunar three offenses of same kind within 1 year may be charged together aru 220 ot ase apunar trial for more than one offense okay aru 221 ot ase apunar when it is doubt what offenses has been committed okay eto jointer of charge kotha ahe so gutegeta section all of the above this is the correct option 45 when police may arrest without warrant is provided in section to eto to easy hoy sobe jane that is section 14 or section 41 to kintu apnaloke khub bhalke sabo okay section when police may arrest how arrestment gutegini bhalke sabo okay next cancellation of bond and bail bond is provided in section okay so cancellation of bail bond to ase apunar 446 8 ase okay our bail chapter to already kolwe bail chapter to gutekini apnaloke bhalke site hob 47 whether a servant is a member of the family within the meaning of section 64 okay so servant to section 64 under servant of family member hisabe consider kora hoy niki okay so yat correct option to hobo ki no consider kora no hoy okay it was apunar section 64 explanation part 2 explanation next question police went to investigate okay so let me statement board is kuntu so on the information received from any person as to the commission of any cognizable offense yes data investigation koribo pare next statement is even without any information but if they have reason to suspect the commission of any cognizable offense this statement is also correct next on receiving any order to investigate from any judicial magistrate so this statement is also correct so the correct option is all of the above that is option D so section 156 and 157 to sabo okay next disposal of property at the conclusion of trial is governed by so kuntu section under governed hoy that is section 452 the last question is in case of a continuing offense fresh period of limitation shall begin to run at every moment of the time during which the offense continues. This provision is provided under section. To kuntu section under dia hoise. So 52 hoise apuna correct option that is 472. So CRPC section 472 continuous offense or continuing offense বিষয়ে কোৱা আছে ওকে কিন্তু কন্টিনিউইং অফেন্স কি বা কন্টিনিউয়াস অফেন্স কি হেতু ডেফিনেশন দিয়া জাস্ট কন্টিনিউইং অফেন্সৰ বিষয়ে কোৱা আছে ফ্ৰেশ পিৰিয়ড লিমিটেশন টু কেতিয়া ষ্টাৰ্ট হ'ব ওকে আৰু কন্টিনিউইং অফেন্সৰ ওপৰত মোৰ ভিডিওস আছে সো আপোনালোকে চাব ভিডিওটো মই লিংক বিলাক সব ভিডিও বিলাকৰ কমেন্টত দি দিম চাই ল'ব ভিডিওছবোৰ ওকে আৰু লগতে মই ইৰেগুলাৰিটিজ which do not vitiate proceeding section 462 মই দিয়া নাই কেতিয়াবা কোৱেশ্চনছ আহে সো হেবিলাকো আপোনালোকে চাই ল'ব আৰু লগতে মই এতিয়া কিছুমান ধৰক যিবিলাক ইম্পৰ্টেন্ট চেপ্টাৰ CRPC সেইখিনি মই আপোনালোকক কৈ দিওঁ সো ট্ৰায়াল আপোনাৰ ফাৰ্স্ট আপোনাৰ ডেফিনেশন পাৰ্টটো ভালকে চাবই ডেফিনেশন পাৰ্টটো চোৱাৰ লগতে ক্লাसेছ অফ ক্ৰিমিনেল কোডছটো আপোনালোকে চাব তাৰ পিছত আপোনালোকে এৰেষ্ট অফ পাৰসন চেপ্টাৰ 5 টু বা চেপ্টাৰ 4 8 to magistrate and the police ketia posister 8 police ba magistrate of 8 kora hoy jitu section kiman ase 37 38 39 and 40 he gute kini sabo ba magistrate bilakor jikini power pune kiman imprisonment dibo pare fine dibo pare hekini apnake bhalke sabo tar pise process to compel appearance very important summon warrantor bikhoy tat koa ase okay hekini sabo aru apnaloke process to compel the production of things moi question etao disu hekiniও sabo apnaloke summon to produce charge warrant he gute bilak sai lobo okay aru bailor sector to gute kini sabo aru maintenance or question ya dia na maintenance sector to apnaloke sai lobo bhalke okay so I think ikini jodi apnaloke bhalke sai hoi jabor bhalke porok berek khon hoday poribo monot rakhibo berek khon hoday poribo okay aru eta important sector ase information to the police and the other powers to investigate so section 154 opor start hoise to 176 loike so he gutekhini section e apnaloke bhalke sabar jurisdiction of the criminal courts and inquiries and trials he chapter to sabo aru complaints to magistrate chapter 15 he 15 to apnaloke bhalke sabo aru trial of summon case and warrant case already moi kolwe guteke he gutekhini apnaloke bhalke sabo nije kisman bostu apnaloke question paper por nischay saise agor guteke teneke buji pele bhalke poribo aru summary trial to kintu questions ahe mains to ahe apnar ketiaba prelims to to summary trial to mo question include korna summary trial to apnaloke bhalke sabar plea bargaining or gutekhini section apnaloke site hobo so মোৰ ভাল লাগিছে যে আপোনালোকে যিমানখিনি ইয়া জয়েন কৰিলে মক টেষ্টত আপোনালোকৰ পৰা কোঅপাৰেচন পালো ওকে আৰু নেক্সট মক টেষ্টটো হ'ব আমাৰ ল অফ কন্ট্ৰাক্ট 50 মাৰ্কছৰ ওকে 50 মাৰ্কছৰ 11th অক্টোবৰ সো ৰেডি হৈ থাকিবা আৰু জয়েন কৰিব বুলি মই আশা ৰাখিলো ওকে সো ইট দিস আই টেক ইউ অলি থ্যাংক ইউ